Hey folks, and welcome to the Blue Pages. It is great to have you here, and we're here to help you build out your custom landing page. So this is kind of step one. We're going to know a little bit about your business information, and I just want to lead you off, and this is through the entire process, which is very simple, by the way. Don't feel stressed about this. It's really simple to fill this information out. However, you're not alone. We're here to help. Do your best to fill out the information as we build your custom landing page. If you get stuck, reach out to us. Stop where you are or save, send it through. You can always email us at support@BluePages.pro. We're here to help. So let's get this started. Your business information, this is pretty self-explanatory. Anytime that you see a red dot, that is an asterisk saying that it's a must. You have to have that information in there. If you don't see a red dot, of course, you can skip that and come back to it later on to edit your listing. Now, the great thing about the Blue Pages is we build out your microsite, your custom landing page. You'll have the ability to go back into your listing and make modifications anytime that you want. So let's say that, well, you just didn't fall in love with your offer or your offer video, right? Or maybe the copy on the About Us section that we're going to get to. No fret. You can always go back in and modify it. And you don't even have to hire a web developer to do it. You're in total control of your listing over here at the Blue Pages. And we're also here to help edit, make sure that your copy is right, check out any SEO and keywords that might help you in your marketplace. We're here to help, and I think you're really going to enjoy this. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Business name, business email, your phone number. One thing to be aware of, on your website URL, make sure you use the HTTP or the HTTPS semicolon /. Use your entire website URL. Don't just put acmeroofco.com. You've got to put the HTTPS in there first. So if it doesn't take, you'll know why. Business hours, pretty self-explanatory. If you're open 24 hours, click, 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 click. If you're closed on Sunday, click that. If you're there and you've got an answering service, which you should, 7 days a week, you should always be open. You should always have the ability to get a phone call. However, you might not be installing that day. You should always be able to have a phone number that someone can call and somebody set up an appointment for you on Monday or Tuesday, whenever it's appropriate. Just think about that going forward. Then, of course, choose your asset class, right? We allow up to 3. And when your page is done, you'll see exactly how this looks and why it's super important that you do this. So if you do more than 3 things, pick the major asset classes that you do the most of. So if I'm a fake company called Acme Roofing Co., and I do gutters, and I do restoration, and I do roofing, those are the 3 categories that I want to click in here. If you ever see something on this list that's not, if you don't see something that's on the list and you need us to add it, reach out to us. We're here to help. Support@BluePages.pro, and we can get that added just like that. Okay, that's enough of this. We're going to go to the next page now.